my name is Crystal Nassar with Tuscany Florist in Rancho Mirage, California, and I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable flower arrangement. I'm going to start with an arrangement using larkspur, veronica, solidago, mint, and delphinium. And we're going to add the vegetables to this arrangement. Now that the arrangement's made, I am going to take my artichoke, and I have some wire. It's a little thicker. I'm going to insert the wire into the stem of the artichoke, just so that I have a little bit extra, to secure it in to the arrangement. So it goes through real easy. Stick it in and kind of bend it down, and I'm going to cut it a little bit. Don't want it in too much. Cut that wire. And then get that artichoke in there nice, so it's not going to be falling out. I'm going to put another artichoke on the other side. Stick it through the stem again. Okay. And now I'm going to stick this artichoke here. Make sure it's going to sit in there nice. Stick that artichoke in there nice and tight. Okay, now that's gorgeous. You can use other types of vegetables. You can use colorful vegetables like peppers. They come, the red peppers. You can use the green peppers. You can use the pumpkin squash for fall weddings. You can actually carve out a pumpkin and place the arrangement inside a pumpkin. There's all kinds of different vegetables you can use, sometimes gorgeous lettuce you can use. So just be creative with your vegetables.